Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This video is a little more action-packed. Not really, I'm just walking and talking at the same time. So it's a little bit more exciting. We just finished a live video, live in Okinawa. We do, live in Okinawa is our Facebook page. We do live videos every Sunday. Today's Sunday, we just finished, and we came to this, I don't know what it is. It's a trail park thing. We walked through a bunch of beautiful trees. Fukugi Tree Forest. You know what? I'm gonna add in the name right now. That's where we are. It goes, if you follow it the whole way, it goes to this beach, and I was very surprised to be in my shot. It goes to this beach, and there's Iejima. I can never remember the names of these things. I remember it's Nipple Island because it looks like a nipple. A lot of people call it that, but it's a beautiful view, beautiful day. I mean, I know it's not sunny or anything, but it's amazing. It's so cool outside and windy. I love this overcasty type weather. And Kit went down this trail right now. So we're gonna follow her and see if we can go find her. Aw, kitty. Kitty. Aw. Wow, a lot of stray cats here. Oh, PT Cruiser. Haven't seen one of those in Okinawa. Yeah, Kit's saying she really likes this area. And I'm saying I really like it too. But it does feel like Santa Cruz to me. Like it's overcast and like cloudy and stuff. And there's a lot of streets like this in Santa Cruz. Let me know if you guys have been here before, or if it reminds you of any places you know of in America. Look at these pathways though. So this is what most of this area looks like. You're just walking through beautiful trees like this. Teleported. We are now at the Blue Seal in Nago. And if you guys haven't been here, this is one of the old ones. It's a really big one, super cool. Let's go inside, see what they have to offer. I'm gonna actually get some food here. And I usually just get ice cream, but they have some good food.
It smells good. It smells sweet.
So that's what I got there. The Blue Seal Burger. Looks pretty good. Kit got that one actually, the avocado taco burger. You can probably see I'm in the bathroom right now. And I don't normally film in the bathroom. It's I'm by myself. But this sink, you can't tell. There's some small sinks in Okinawa, but this sink is so tiny. My hand, if I make a fist, I'm touching. It's like really hard not to touch the bottom or the top of this sink. Look how small this sink is. It's one of the smallest sinks ever. I couldn't even, to get both my hands underneath this water was like nearly impossible. That looks pretty good for an ice cream parlor. Ooh, your taco burger. And then that's the Blue Seal burger. That one. Man, it looks like the same. They do a really good job. And this is shikwasa soda.
Yeah, this is like a shikwasa pineapple soda.
How is it?
That's actually really good. It's like a shikwasa.
Is it better than shikwasa?
I actually think I prefer the shikwasa. This is more pineapple.
Ooh.
It's not bad though.
I don't know, I like it.
It's a little sour.
Who knew? An ice cream parlor has good burgers. Also, they have waffle cut fries, which is kind of hard to find in Okinawa, but Blue Seal has them. I've never been to this shopping center, but it's really cool. This is the Nago Aeon. We're on this bridge.
This road would be scary at night.
Yeah, I'm already feeling very spiritual.
I hope we're going the right way.
These palms look super tropical.
I still haven't seen a habu. Have you? Like, this would be a place where I would see a habu.
Okay guys, this is really exciting. I'm gonna show you kits. We just got here. This is our Airbnb. And we came in right here. And let me show you around. This place is amazing. Okay, it's starting to get dark, so I'm gonna show you guys this right now. This is the entrance. We came into here, and then right at the entrance, we have the toilet. Very nice toilet with a bidet. Okay, not that exciting. We get this whole place to ourselves. Let me show you this. Look at this. Look at the reveal. It's a loud door. We have our own living room with this couch, nice TV. I'll show you the view in a second. Look at the bed, king size bed. I haven't had a king size bed in a long time. Air conditioning. This is such a nice place. Okay, living room. The view, before it gets dark, I'm gonna show you this view. Look at this view, guys. We're in Nakijin. Oh my gosh, this is our own private. Holy crap. Check this out. Let's go back inside. Let me zoom back out for you guys. We have a loft as well. This whole place is ours, by the way. Okay, we go up here. Look at this loft area. You can't see it. It's dark. Let me see. This is a couple little bed areas up here. It's just a little loft. Watch your head. This is the whole place here. Okay, that's the washroom. And then this, there. Wow, okay. Look at this tub. That is amazing. Look, it has a waterfall thing. You could sit there and there's a waterfall. And then this part's clear. This is incredible. We're not leaving this place for 2 days. Let's just stay here. Kit opened the double door thing. Good job, baby.
Thank you.
This is my birthday / our honeymoon gift to us. And this is really nice. I'm impressed. Hey, come here. Wait. You did a good job.
I did good. It was either a hotel or this, and this is better.
Yeah, this is way better. Oh, a kitchen. I didn't even see that. Yeah, underneath the stairs here, we have our own kitchen. Cool. It's small, but big sink, nice stove. I like this place better than the apartment we just got.
Well, you gotta be able to afford a house.
Yeah. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm super excited about this place, and I really just wanna enjoy it and relax for the next couple days. This is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna end this, and I would highly recommend this Airbnb for anyone that wants to come. I'll tell you about it later. Maybe another video or on a live or something. Not while we're here, you know, because I'm still here when you're gonna see this video. So, thanks so much guys for watching, and I'm gonna enjoy my honeymoon, vacation, birthday, whatever this is, getaway. See you in the next video.